Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to transfer domain to Porkbun from GoDaddy. So step number 1, unlock your domain at GoDaddy. Grab an authorization code from GoDaddy. This key is a one-use password that allows you to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Porkbun. GoDaddy will email it to you within 24 hours at the email address listed under your administrator contact. Initiate your Porkbun domain transfer. Type in your domain to be transferred under domain name, then copy the authorization code in your email from GoDaddy and paste it into the authorization code field and hit submit. The transfer or transfers will be added to your cart. From your cart, click continue to billing to pay for your ad domain transfer. Once you have paid, Porkbun and GoDaddy will both send you emails asking you to confirm the transfer from GoDaddy. Find the Porkbun email and click the provided link to confirm the transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching.